Hey guys, it's Saiji. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I am so excited for this video. As you can see by the title, we are going to be doing a Lisa Frank inspired makeup tutorial. So I went to the dollar store like a while ago and I got this sticker sheet, this sticker book, sorry, of all these, Lisa Frank, hold on, give me a second, I'm a mess. All these Lisa Frank like stickers. And I was like, I really want to do a look. And then I was on TikTok the other day and I seen this girl and she was like, let's bring back fun makeup looks. I mean, if you guys know me, I'm a very full glam type of makeup girly, so I've always like just done whatever I want with makeup. But I was like, yes, we need to keep up with the fun, dramatic makeup look. So I was like, what better way to do that than with the colorful, the iconic Lisa Frank. I'm so excited for today's video. I have a few reference pictures that I kind of want to go off of, but I just kind of want to have fun with it. I already did my foundation and stuff because I'm like, look, I don't want anything to stop me from like putting stuff in my cheeks, putting stuff in my under eye, all that good stuff. I don't want to cover it up with foundation when I do my foundation after. So I was like, I just want to have fun with it. So if you guys want to see me do a Lisa Frank inspired makeup look, then just keep on watching. We're just gonna get started with like eyeshadow. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution Concealing Define Infinite Concealer. And I'm gonna blend that out with this bullet sponge. Okay, so let's get started. What do I want to do? I don't know, guys. I just have some colorful palettes with me. I have the Beauty Bay and the Makeup Revolution Elixir Stone palette, and I just kind of want to do like very colorful rainbow. I'm also doing like a pride look, so I don't want to do too much, like make it too like rainbow-y, even though I know that's like the vibe. I want to make it like neon and like girly and stuff. And I don't know if I want to do, you know how like when people do looks, they'll do the like leopard, but like, you know what I mean? I don't know if I want to do that because it's just so like everyone does it. But I don't know, I'm just trying to look at these stickers and get like some reference. Okay, let's just get started. Let's do purple first. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take these heart stickers and I'm going to put them like right here. And then after we like blend and everything, we're going to take them off and it's going to create like a little heart. It's going to be so cute. Okay, hold on. I think first I'm going to start off with the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and I'm going to take this purpley like pastel shade just because it kind of like matches my shirt. And I don't know, I just kind of want to go in with that first. I'm going to take that on a M504 brush. I'm just going to like go circular motions in the inner corner. I'm going to take that second purple that's under it and kind of do the same thing with it. I'm also taking it a little bit in the inner corner, like the crease in the inner corner. Next, on a BH Cosmetics tapered brush, I'm going to take the blue from that palette and kind of do a similar thing right next to it. Ooh, I don't know, the way that blue is like coming up, I don't like it. It looks okay on camera, but it's giving muddy in person. I'm going to take the Beauty Bay palette, I'm going to take Paradise, and I'm just going to, that's a little bit better. Ooh, I was like taken aback, like I was like, what is going on? Okay. And then we're going to do, on that Morphe M504 brush, I'm going to take like a dry brush cleaner. I need to slow down a little bit, I'm going so fast. I'm going to take a Tutu from the Beauty Bay palette. Then you guys know the drill, just kind of put it Should I do a cut crease? I haven't done a cut crease in so long. Okay, let's do a cut crease. I'm gonna take this M213 brush. I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer. I'm gonna do a cut crease. I'm gonna take a small liner brush, and with the concealer I'm just gonna like go inside the heart. So for right now, I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye, and I'll come back with you guys for some more like things. I feel like I like it, but like I feel like there's something kind of off about it. It's cute. Okay, it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I made some changes. I just kind of took off the like green and yellow because I wasn't feeling it. It was looking kind of muddy, and I just like cut the crease. But I want to show you guys what I did. So I just took this flat brush and I took Make Them Wink from the Beauty Bay palette, and I kind of did like a blended kind of like wing with the pink. And then I just, instead of like super colorful on the bottom, I just am taking pink and blending that out. But I just thought of something cute, so I'm going to put a heart sticker on my nose, and then I'm going to put some blush, and then I'm going to take the sticker off. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever heard? Okay, I'm going to take Tutu from that palette. Cute. That's so cute. Oh, you can't see these ones that much. Guys, this is so cute. Okay, what else do I want to do? Do I want to add another sticker? This is so cute, guys. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is just to like conceal my lashes, I'm gonna take a really small like black across the like lash line, just so with my lashes you like, I just feel like a little bit of liner just helps conceal the lashes better when you put them on. So I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished Lisa Frank inspired makeup look. I think it's so cute and I love it so much. It's also kind of giving pride, but I'm gonna do a pride look later. Oh, I added some bobble bobs in my hair because I felt like that was cute. But I feel like it's giving pride, but I'm gonna do a different pride look, so like scratch that. But yeah, I feel like it's definitely giving Lisa Frank. I think it's so cute. What did I do? Oh, I didn't do anything different from when I last seen you guys. So yeah, this is the finished look. I just added a lash. I put some stickers like all over just because I felt like, you know, you gotta use the stickers, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You can turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here, but it'll also be in the description box down below. Guys, please subscribe. I want to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know that's like thinking big, but like, you know, they say to create big goals. So if you like me, if you like this video, if you like makeup and want to support me, then please subscribe. I would really truly appreciate it. I just want you guys to join the family because I truly love you all. And I just love doing makeup, and I like being artistic, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I want to do a little close-up for you guys because I feel like it's super cute. I want you guys to get like the full effect of it. But yeah, I guess I have nothing else to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.